Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your QR code on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the top and click on this QR code button in the upper left corner of the screen. So here you can find your QR code, and down below as you slide to the right side you can also customize it. As you can see, the color changes, and you can share your QR code by tapping on the share button down below, and then you can share it via AirDrop messages, TikTok Messenger and other social networking sites. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.